I want the big advice here. So if you look, maybe you have to look like 10 years back. What kind of advice do you want to give yourself if you had to go back in time?
Have more confidence in in yourself. For me, again, speaking to myself, have more confidence. You're we're all still learning. As long as you aren't arrogant about anything, if you walk in with the confidence and the knowledge that you have, you have, be confident in that.
Yeah.
Don't be so concerned about, oh, I'm talking to this title or that title, and we're all people. We're all people. Don't take it so seriously. One thing that I talk about here at ECS is, some people will get upset or concerned that they're going to make a wrong decision.
Yeah.
Now, you aren't ever going to make a decision so terrible that it's going to ruin the company. We all make bad
Yeah.
decisions, or we
Yeah.
all make mistakes.
Yeah.
We learn from them. That's it. And back to what I was saying, when I would be in front of a customer, somebody had a big title. Well, as I've gotten older from 10 years ago, I now understand they're just people,
Yeah.
right? There's no one person that's so special. You can't have a conversation and talk to them, introduce them to your product, introduce them to yourself,
Yeah.
and have more confidence. Have
Yeah.
more confidence in your abilities. Would
Yeah.
be my suggestion to myself 10 years ago.
Yeah, that's a good advice. If you like Leadership in Manufacturing podcast, don't forget to subscribe, rate, and share the show wherever you get the podcast. Our podcast is for industry decision makers like yourself, providing a personalized experience to elevate your leadership journey. So be sure to tune in. You'll have access to a wealth of practical advice and innovative strategies, boosting and refining your leadership style. So check it out. It's on leadershipinmanufacturing.com. Remember, stay curious, keep learning. See you next time.